What up, y'all? Every penny counts. I got another cash out for y'all. This is on Bankroll Bucks. Just a quick cash out of $1.70. You see here, I have a minimum of $1 that I can cash out, but I have 170, not 170, but $1.70, and I'm gonna cash out real quick. Now I'm gonna show you what I do in order to get this. But first, let me cash out real quick. All right, hold on. All right, so you see I cashed out. My withdrawals added to the pending list. And let me show you what I do in order to get this money. All right, so I'm gonna go over here to offer walls and show you all the things that they have. They have revenue wall, opinion to capital one. They have tap research. They have theorem reach. They have live surveys. All of these different ones, I go through and just look at all of them. Try something every single offer wall. That's how you do it, all right? Every single one of these, okay? Then you go back up here, you go to offers. They have newest offers, try those. Last credited, those are the ones that people are, they just got credited for. The hottest offers, the ones that are paying really high. Daily surveys, always pay attention to that. Surveys is really where the money's at. I know there are a lot of people that don't like doing surveys, but a lot of people don't like doing surveys because they find out they're not qualifying for them, and it's because they give up so easily. You know what I'm saying? If you try surveys, 1 or 2, and you don't qualify for them, you just give up, you're not going to make any money like that because, for one, you don't have that work ethic to even make money with these surveys. So you have to keep grinding. Those that are making money with it is because they keep grinding. The ones that are not is because they give up, and then they're complaining about how they don't have enough money, to pay for things because they're not putting in the work. So that's what it's all about. Doing surveys and offers. That's what it's, that's where the money's at, and it's easy to do the more you do it. You just have to get into the habit of doing it. All you have to do is just whenever you have some spare time, just go through and try a few of them. Just that simple. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do on all of these sites, and it pays off because, yeah, sometimes it can be frustrating, but when I'm cashing out every single day, putting money into my PayPal account and my Amazon account and, straight to my bank account on some of these sites, it makes it all worth it. All right. So that's what I want you to do. Like I just want to make this quick video. I'm just going through on these offers, trying all of them that I can. Offer walls here, same thing, trying all of these. And just, cashing out. On this site, I cash out pretty much every day. From time to time, I just want to show you a video that I'm still making money with it, and you can too. All right, so the link of this site, it will be in the description. I want you to sign up for that today, so you can start making money just like I am with it. I cashed out $1.70, and I'm pretty much cashing out, every day with this site, at the very least $1. So you can do exactly what I'm doing, just exactly what I showed you. Just focus on these two right here. Offer walls and offers. Just go through and try to bang out as many of those as you can, as many of those you have time for. And then keep in mind with this site, they have like different promos that you can do. Let me kind of scroll down to see. Look, 4-day completion promo. They have all of these offers for 10 bankrolls count. You know what I'm saying? So they're just basically putting you in positions to make more money. So every month they have something different. Just kind of look and see what they have for that month. Like for this, all of these things, what they have for May. Just kind of showing you what they got here. And, it's just opportunities to make more. It's just a little bonus they're giving you. All right. So, like I said, this is a quick video on Bankroll Bucks. The link is in the description. I want you to sign up for that today so you can start making money with it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, if you're interested in making money for free online in your spare time. And just grind out. That's all it is. That's all I'm doing. All right. So I want y'all to get started with that today, and to remember always that every penny that you make counts.